Good morning guys, and from the Samsung Galaxy M34, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So first of all, you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Now select more icon, select history, and click on clear browsing data. Now you will find here basic and advanced options. Under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and save data, and cached images and files. And then under advanced you've got few more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data, and saved settings. Select the time range, select clear data then, and that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.